Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can make reverse forward control with timer in Siemens PLC S7-300. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our SIMATIC Manager software and here we will create new project. Network title, if you like to give, you can give reverse forward control, and here we will create. For an example, we will take one bit for execution and next we will take the timer. For example, this SODT I will choose, and next one more timer we will choose, but first we will make this address. For example, I124.0 we will take for our input address, because of when we like to be start this one we need one execution from I124.0. and also you make for emergencies, you can close contact also can be defined. And this timer address we will give, for example, T0, and here time we can give the, for example, S5 T H5S. This is the personal setting of this timer. If you like to give, you have to be change here 5, 10, or how much time you like to be give, you can make it set point here. And next one more timer we will take. This we can make it copy, and here just we can paste these two timers, and here we will take one row branch, and here we will design take one close contact and one output. This close contact we will use for the timer, because of this T0 when stop, yani our output needs to be on. After when complete this time, after this will be stop. So first T0 we will take this close contact, and output we can choose, for example, Q124.2 I will choose. And next we, same as this one, this network we will make copy, and we will take it here, make paste. So here we will change just only addresses. This address no need, because of this is our main execution, and here just only we have to be changed. And here also this timer we will take T1, for example, and here this one we will take T2, and this timer we will take the T3 address. So this two timers, this is first main timer for our reverse command or forward command, and this is the delay I fix. For example, when this coil will be started, after this is next coil need to be start, we need one delay, and this same this I make for delay for this next coil, and this is also, this is the main time, and this I make for one delay. And one more row we will take it here, and here we will take the open contact of the T2, and one we will make one more timer we needs to reset the system. Copy, and here we will make paste, and this is T2 address we will give, and this will be, this we will use for, sorry, this T4 we need the address, because of this is when complete the cycle. After this will be, this system needs to be restart again. So this T4 we will take it here, close contact, and address we will give T4, and after here this one, and also this address we have to be changed. Here we will change the address T2 because of we need from when this timer will be started, after this coil need to be start. So same as this, almost our program is completed. So we'll download to the PLC and let's check. Block loaded program is successfully downloaded to our PLC, and now we can make monitoring. And now as per scene, this is all times are 5 seconds. 5 seconds are start this one, and 5 seconds after wait, and after next start, after next 5 seconds stop, and next will be start with the delay. So we give the signal at the I0 dot I124.0. So our first timer is now started and our Q124.2 is now on. Now delay started, and now this timer needs to be start. This T2, because of when this one mistake we will make, stop the execution, and we have to be put this because of when this timer started, after we need to be start from this timer T2, not directly. When this timer time finished, after this open contact needs to be start this timer. So we will put it here one open contact, and for T1 we will put, and after now I think so our program will be completed. Again download to the PLC and make monitoring. And now our second output is now started, and also allowed to see in the camera. Now this is waiting for delay, and yeah, this is now our reverse, for example, is now running, and it will be wait for 5 seconds to next forward command. If you like to be reduce the seconds of the delay, you can make this one changes. Here you can put 2 seconds or how much it's depend on your requirement. If your motor is a heavy, think about this. Basically this reverse forward control program is used in the plastic injection moldings machines or rotational machines. So you can put the time, depends on your logic, yani what machine is working, that you can choose. You can see now is waiting, but our camera response is now not have. See, it's a late giving response to our network is very slow, but it's you can see it here from, for example, to both I will make near, I will make little this view sections, format factor we will make 150, and you can see now all control will be shown. You can see now 124.2 is running, and after will be delay start. Now delay start, after when this delay finish, after this our T2 will be started and our Q124.2 will be run. And now this delay started, and when this delay will be completed, after this will be Q124.2 will be on. This webcam is not good running now at that moment, but you can see here is good running. Hope guys you will be understand about this control. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.